Chris Williamson didn't expect to become a multi-billionaire overnight after investing $20 in cryptocurrency Rocket Bunny. Want to know more about the topic? Watch this video till the end. Let's start the video right after the intro. Before we start the video, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more future updates. Chris Williamson didn't expect to become a multi-billionaire overnight after investing $20 in cryptocurrency Rocket Bunny. That looked to be the case, at least for the time being. The Georgia nursing student had been dabbling in cybercurrencies for around 8 months before investing on Monday. Its worth had risen to almost $1.4 trillion on Tuesday. I woke up at 9. And I always check my phone to see how my crypto is doing, and I'm like, "No, I'm sleeping," Williamson told Fox 5 Atlanta. The student from Manchester, Georgia, then raced to the Coinbase Bitcoin trading app, stunned by what he saw. When Williamson tried to move the currency into another wallet to withdraw it, the price didn't match, so he called Coinbase. Coinbase responded quickly, stating that it was looking into the matter and that it had attempted to contact Rocket Bunny, but had not received a response. So, at that point, I'm like, okay, I'm just going to have fun with it. As a result, I went to Twitter, according to Williamson, who spoke to the news network. "When you look at it, you know there's no chance I'm ever going to get this amount of money," he explained. Williamson expected the big sum of money to vanish soon from his account, but it rose instead. He was able to determine that he had invested in the correct online coin and that it was not a fraud. The Georgia student even tweeted Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk, who frequently writes on social media about cryptocurrencies, in the hopes of getting guidance on his sudden windfall. "I was sure," Williamson added, "since he trolls people all the time. I'm hoping he saw it and has been following it, but I have no way of knowing. That is a wallet belonging to Elon Musk." The student stated that, if he had that type of money, he would spend it on his family, pay off his sister's mortgages, and even open free medical clinics. "That's a lot of money that I'll never be able to spend in my life, so I'd put it to good use," Williamson said. Coinbase has placed a hold on Williamson's account, preventing him from withdrawing, purchasing, or trading until he hears from the business. Coinbase has been approached by Newsweek for comment. Despite the fact that the occurrence has given him a fantastic tale, Williamson feels he amassed his 13-figure fortune as a result of a glitch. His friend, who resides in Jasper, Georgia, purchased the exact same coin and had no problems. However, Williamson discovered others who had issues with it on an online message board. If you like what you see, consider subscribing and liking this video. It gives us the motivation to create more videos like this.